Hello everyone and welcome back to Angelica's Kitchen Lab. Today I want to wish you all love, warmth and beautiful moments as we celebrate together Valentine's Day. And what could be better than baking something special at this time? Today I'm baking absolutely stunning Ukrainian cake, Carpathian Emerald Evening. So this is not your average sponge cake. This dessert is layered, rich and beautifully complex. It combines with soft biscuit, delicate meringue layer, fragrant poppy seeds, tender apple jelly, silky custard cream, and is finished with the glossy chocolate ganache on the top. Every bite melts in your mouth, sweet, slightly tangy, creamy, and perfectly balanced. So let's start. We'll mix flour, butter, sugar, and baking powder. And now we add egg yolks and sour cream. Alright, so we continue to mix the dough until everything combines and should become not too hard and soft and looks just like that. Looks beautiful. Now we divide dough in 6 equal parts and put it in the fridge to cool down. The next step, we'll prepare the apple layer. So I'll skin the apples and then we'll saute them with the butter and sugar. I'm gonna saute our apples. So I put butter. Get those apples here. I cut them in thin slices. And we'll add some sugar. Apple nice and soft. Now add green jello. I have lime. Wow, look at this beautiful green apple. So now we'll let it cool down. It becomes more thicker and more jelly-like. Gorgeous. Our next layer will be poppy seed. So I boiled poppy seed for an hour. It's nice and soft. I drain it. Now we add some butter, 1 egg, and sugar. And we add this aromatic Madagascar vanilla. It's so fragrant. We'll prepare our custard cream. So we'll mix sugar, eggs, cornstarch, and flour. And we'll just keep mixing it all together. Now it's all nice and mixed. We add a little bit of salt and start pouring some milk until it becomes nice and thick. Okay, our custard cream starts bubbling, all right? We just keep continuous stirring to avoid lumps until it gets nice and thick. It's keep bubbling, boiling, and we'll just add our vanilla sugar. Smells so delicious. Looks beautiful. Oh, look at this custard cream, so gorgeous. consistency and smell and taste just delicious. Okay, so our custard cream all ready. Beautiful, gorgeous consistency. And now we put it in the fridge to cool down. Our next step, we're gonna do meringue. So we put egg whites, salt, sugar, and lemon juice. Okay, let's check our meringue. Oh goodness, look at this. Just beautiful. Okay, let's check our meringue. Look at this, how beautiful it is. Look at those peaks. So lemony. Love it. Okay, and there it is, our first layer of our cake. It goes to oven for 25 minutes for 356 degrees. Our first layer is ready. I pulled it out from the oven. So we remove the paper. This is how it looks on the bottom. And now we'll see how it's gonna look on the top. Voila! So this looks just amazing. So we have to do 2 more layers. One with the apple and the second the same. Let's go. Do our second layer exactly as the first one. First we put our dough, then poppy seeds, and layer of meringues on the top. Then some walnuts and grated dough. This is layer number 2. That's how we're gonna handle it. Turn upside down. Remove tray, looks beautiful. Remove parchment paper. And just turn it to cool down. Voila! So this is gonna be layer 3, and we'll put this inside and fill it with jellied apple. Okay, this is our apple jelly layer, almost ready. This is our final layer of the cake. Looks amazing. And final touch, we just grate the final dough layer, cover it up, and put this in the oven. Okay, so our final layer, apple jelly, nice and dry, but it's still a little bit liquidy. This is our most fragile layer, made from jellied apple. It will take about 30-40 minutes to cool down before I can start to handle it. So we'll just leave it alone, let it cool down, and then we'll put our cake together after that. Now we'll beat butter in our custard cream. Now we put our cake together. Second layer with apple jelly on the top. Now we'll use all the remaining cream here. We just use the remaining cream on the sides. Make sure everything covered. Just like that. Cover it with the chocolate ganache on the top.
Văpaia din stâncă iarăși s-a prins, râul murmură se aude che
Okay, my friends, 8 hours later, we got this beautiful, gorgeous Ukrainian Carpathian cake, plats. So this one specifically called Emerald Evening because the green apple layer. So, happy Valentine's. I hope you will attempt to do it. It just takes 8 hours. But it's worth it because it's absolutely amazing. It's gourmet and it tastes like nothing else. You can't compare the taste to any previous cakes. Hope, okay? Let's try.